The first full week of tolling begins on the Gateway Expressway in the Tampa Bay area. An old toll road goes completely cashless in Oklahoma, and make sure to pay up in New York or you could be taking a ride but not where you want to go. Welcome to the inaugural presentation of Turnpikes.com's weekly snapshot of all the travel news that's coming down the pike. Yes, we went there. This is the first full week of tolling on Florida's new Gateway Expressway in the Tampa Bay area. That expressway opened April 26th, but tolling was free for the first week. The Florida Department of Transportation announced the tolls began Friday afternoon. The new expressway runs adjacent to 118th Avenue in St. Petersburg and Pinellas Park and connects I-275 in St. Petersburg to US 19. It also includes a spur which runs adjacent to the St. Petersburg Clearwater International Airport, as shown in this animation sequence from the FDOT's YouTube channel. If you're driving a regular car, pickup, or SUV from I-275 to the St. Petersburg Clearwater Airport, it'll cost you $1.14 for SunPass, $1.74 if you're going with the toll by plate option. There is no cash option on the new Gateway Expressway. No more cash on the Turner Turnpike. The Oklahoma Turnpike Authority has announced that the last exit on the Turner Turnpike was converted to cashless tolling, meaning this is the first full week of all cashless tolling on that portion of I-44 that runs between Tulsa and Oklahoma City. The OTA has been systematically converting the Oklahoma Turnpike system to cashless tolling, with the last two turnpikes to be converted by the end of the year. Those are the Indian Nation and Will Rogers turnpikes, where you can still pay cash. Pay up or take an unwanted detour in New York. The Metropolitan Transit Authority continues its crackdown on toll violators and those so-called ghost license plates attempting to dodge tolls. An 8-department interagency task force that includes the New York State Police and the Port Authority Police, even the New York City Taxi and Limousine Commission Police, announced another 56 arrests and nearly 1,400 more summonses issued as the MTA continues that crackdown on toll violators. Since late April, the MTA says it's seized over 600 cars, made 142 arrests, and issued 4,247 summonses for assorted tolling violations. Employing an obvious pun, New York's Police Department Commissioner Edward Caban stated the task force would not, quote, take our foot off the gas, unquote, in addressing ghost plates and toll violators. Speaking of taking the foot off the gas, not so fast, say the residents around Washington Crossing. PhillyBurbs.com is reporting that residents around the Washington Crossing Bridge in New Jersey and Pennsylvania are up in arms about a review being undertaken by the Delaware River Joint Toll Bridge Commission that's looking to replace the current span of the Washington Crossing. Residents say the current structure is historic and should only be repaired and strengthened. The current Washington Crossing Bridge span opened in 1905, but supports for the current structure are nearly 200 years old, according to the PhillyBurbs.com article. The current bridge sits very near where George Washington crossed the Delaware River from Pennsylvania into New Jersey to lead American revolutionaries in their eventual victory at the Battle of Trenton. And it is victory where we leave you. Next week, we take a look at the Kansas Turnpike's conversion to cashless open road tolling, a process that's supposed to be completed by July 1st. And that is where many other toll roads will be announcing their summer toll increases. We'll take a look at that, as well as Ohio's open road tolling system, which has been rolled out for just about a month now. Thanks for watching. I'm Danny Pryor for Turnpikes.com, the Turnpike Authority.